Hey guys, I'm Carla Dennis and I am America's tax advisor. Tax day has been moved to July 15th. So what does that mean for millions of Americans? That means that you can extend and file your taxes July 15th. But the question I have for you is, do you really want to do that? As I think about that, I don't know that that's our answer. Do I think you should use that time to come up with the money to pay your taxes and avoid penalties? Absolutely. But we cannot get caught up in what is really happening around us. It needs to be business as usual. You need to file your taxes by April 15th. Because history has shown me that when we extend our taxes and we extend and extend and extend, what ends up happening, we're going to get to the end of the year very quickly. And if you extend your taxes to July and then do another extension behind that, you're going to be a year in, closing your year and still having to file taxes for the prior year. Don't allow yourself to do that. My recommendation of America's tax advisor, file your taxes by April 15th. Do you have to pay by April 15th? Absolutely not. Extend the time to pay to July 15th. But by filing by April, you've checked that off your list because trust me, other things are coming. You want a timely file. And all the states have not extended that deadline. They have not. The state of California, at the time of this video, is still June 15th. So in order to electronically file your state income tax return, we have to file your federal return. So my advice as America's tax advisor, file your returns by April 15th, stay business as usual, keep your life as normal as possible. And when you do, you will find out you'll benefit from a lot of the incentives that are gonna come. They're gonna issue out checks. What is that gonna be based on? Is that gonna be based on people who filed for 2019? I would think so. I suggest you file your taxes on time, use that extra time to pay if you need it. If you do not need it, do not even use it. Because it is extra time to pay doesn't mean you're not going to have to pay. So unless you absolutely need that money to feed your family and keep your roof over your head, then it needs to be business as usual for you. I am America's tax advisor. Click on the link below, grab a strategy session. I'm giving out complimentary strategy sessions to help you and others navigate this terrible, treacherous time.